Hello everyone, so this is the PlayStation I bought today and I wanted to unbox it and show you guys what's inside. Okay, so here it is. Here's the box. Sorry about the camera angle, it's a little weird. Here's the box, with all the specs, and here's the back of the box. Let me just quickly grab it, show you guys. So here's the back of the box, and the side of the box, and there's the front of the box. Okay, so let's just unbox it. First, we're gonna peel this packaging wrap. Let's just peel it away. Okay. Let's just fix it. There it is. Okay, just okay, there's one sheet. We're gonna put it aside, and then we got to second sheet, which is wrapped around from bottom to top to bottom. Okay. Okay, so it's almost fully unwrapped now. Okay, so here's the box, and let's just open it. Okay, let me see, let me peel this seal. Okay, let's open it. Here's the box. Okay, so all right, here we are. I think I should take the whole box, right? Okay. Actually, just let's just unbox it as it is. Okay. So we got first PlayStation controller, and okay, so here it is. PlayStation controller. Looks nice. Okay. It's new, shiny, good. Okay, let's put that one aside. And then we got packaging of the controller. And then we got, let's see, we got cables. Okay. So it's European shoe, and then we got HDMI cable. That's nice. Okay, and then we got this packaging. I think this is for the clips. Okay, those clips must be here somewhere. All right, we got the clips. Here we are. We got the clips. Basically these are the stands. Okay, and then we got a Type-C cable for charging our controller. Okay. All right, next we got what we got next. Okay, so nothing else here. Gonna go to the next step, which is taking out our PlayStation. It's a bit heavy. shoot, sorry. I hope I didn't break it. Okay. So let's just, okay, let's see. Okay, here it is. The main thing, PlayStation. Okay, I'm gonna put the box aside, and here we are with the, I think I opened it upside down. Okay, let me just, I don't think it's upside down. Anyways, it's not upside down. Let me just unwrap this, and let's see. No, that was not upside down. That was okay. Okay, so here we are. That's the new PlayStation. Looks nice. Okay, looks good. All right. Oh, there's a matte finish. You see, it's matte finish. Last PS5 that I got had a shiny finish, or yeah, shiny finish. I don't know what it's called, but it was shiny. This one is matte, and I think the reason is they have. Oh, I think they have updated the inside fans cover. Well, I'm gonna have to, you know, tear it down to actually see it. But here we are. Oh, sorry about that. We have a booklet here as well. PS5 booklet. Okay. Sorry about the clunky unboxing, but here we are. Okay, let's just put these aside. We got a controller. Okay, we got a controller. Put it here. We have two cables, HDMI and the power cable, and then we got the Type-C cable and the stand. Let me just put that aside as well. Okay, and that's basically it. That's the whole thing. Nothing else in the box. And that's the basic unboxing of the PS5. That's a new version, by the way. The old version had a shiny finish on this middle part. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully. I mean, that was a really rough unboxing, to be honest, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.